Today I'm wearing mint because the CraftPro Mug Tumbler press just came out in mint and pink, and you can see here I have the mint version. Isn't it so cute? I wanted the mint version because I have the mint heat press for t-shirts, and so, well, I wanted to match. So I'm going to show you guys a fun project today. I think you're going to like this. I actually have a few different things to show you. Today I am going to be using a design that will be available, if you're watching this in real time, in a month in the premium design store for Sawgrass. So I think you'll like this design. It will be under my name on Sawgrass's premium, and it will be exclusive to that. I'm also using today for Heat Press Nation. By the way, that's where you're gonna get this CraftPro is from Heat Press Nation. They're 20 ounce stainless steel tumbler in glitter white. Now, I personally purchased 2 cases of these for Christmas because I have a lot of Christmas gifts to do. So I'm very, very excited about it. I love the glitter on this. It's not too much and it still has the white on it. So I'm really excited to see how the design looks when we're done. Now, one thing that I did do to make this a little easy for myself, this isn't a seamless pattern, but what it is I created it so that it very, very easily could wrap around, and it was gonna be no big deal, like if it touched, didn't touch, all that other good stuff. It's not meant to be perfect. And so it will look perfect because it's just because of the way I designed it. Okay, so here is the cool thing. I highly recommend, once I printed it on my Sawgrass printer, I trimmed the edge. I didn't use a silhouette machine or a Cricut machine. I just trimmed the edge so it's easy for me to tape. I just wanted to know where to tape it, and I trimmed it down because this is a design that could go down at the bottom or in the middle or at the top, and I wanted to center mine today. And so actually, let's pull this off really quick. And because I wanted to center it, and it doesn't matter whether it's up or down, I just thought it'd be easier for me to see by cutting it down. So you can see here, I've got it laid out, just got it pulled all the way around. You can see how I just trimmed it. I just wanted to make sure that it was gonna be close, and I'm not worried, there's no designs or anything on those edges. So then I'm just gonna tape this guy down. Now, lots of tape, you guys, lots and lots of tape. Okay, it is taped down, and hopefully it's not off. Like, it's slightly like up a little bit, but I can't tell if that's my cutting. So maybe trimming it all the way around really would be good. Okay, so here's the deal. We're gonna put it in. This is incredibly easy to use. All you're gonna do is push set and then go up or down on your temperature. So we're gonna do this at 365, and I just push set and then push my button down because it was at a much higher, it was like at 385 when I opened it up. So, and then push set again. And then same down here, I just want it to go for 70 seconds. I'm gonna do it 70 seconds, then turn it and do 70 more seconds, okay? So I can get it all the way around. So this was high, it was like 120 seconds or maybe even 200 seconds. I just like went down with my little down arrow. Well, I pushed set first and then went down with my down arrow. It is so incredibly easy, I love it. Today I'm using my tongs. I found that I like the tongs best because I don't like to touch it at all. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slide this right in and close it. All right, it's gonna go now for 70 seconds. Then I'm gonna take my tongs, turn it, and we'll go for 70 more seconds. I'm just gonna let it cool now. It's all cool now, so I am going to pull out the tape. This is always like the Christmas present part, like scary but exciting. Now, you'll notice it's not a perfect seam, which I did on purpose, but it just looks really, really natural. Isn't that so great? So cute. All right, and I love it in the sparkle, the glitter white. Okay, something else I didn't mention is that this tumbler press does come with a press for your mug. So whether you're doing this 20-inch stainless steel or you're doing a mug, you'll have a press for it. That's it. Okay, if you guys are looking for this new mint CraftPro, it's available at Heat Press Nation. There's a link in the description. If you're looking for these glitter white 20-inch or 20-ounce stainless steel, that's also a link. And if you're looking for my premium designs for Sawgrass, I'll have a link to that as well. This won't be available until December of 2022. The CraftPro is available now if you're looking for it at Heat Press Nation, and I hope you have a chance to make this.